Annyeong! Today I will be unboxing and testing out my BTS Dynamite and Samsonite RED carry-on bag. This is the first collaboration between BTS's song Dynamite and Samsonite RED. It was released in Korea at the end of September last year, and I'm finally getting around to using it for my interstate trip. The collection is targeted to a diverse generation as the red of Samsonite RED and purple of BTS are the first and last colors of the rainbow. It has antimicrobial technology, which is even more important for traveling in COVID times. The mini carry-on measures 28.5 centimeters high and 35.5 centimeters across, weighing 1.17 kilograms when empty. The zip is pretty smooth and I have no trouble unzipping with one hand. The collection is available in two colors, sheer violet and the one I opted for, which is dress blues. Photos online look a very dark, almost black navy, but in person it's quite a distinct blue. Let's open the bag. And here we have the internal partitions and retro Dynamite graphic artwork. The internal sky blue color is the same for the sheer violet model as well. It looks strikingly good on first impression. Let's see what else is included. Again, the zip runs smoothly here. Ah yes, the stickers and the detachable shoulder strap with Dynamite logo embroidery. This can be used as a crossbody bag, but I have a feeling it'll be too bulky for my petite frame, so we'll see. Here are the Dynamite stickers to customize the bag. Think I'll use the bag as is and save the stickers for covering any scratches in the future. So there's also these elastic bands that can hold items in place, 3 on this side. On the other side, there is this see-through zip pocket, and I like the size of this, kinda like a pencil case. And in the main compartment, we've got another 3 elastic bands facing the other way, which is great to fit items of different lengths. Let's take a closer look at the detachable strap. It looks well made and pretty easy with a hook and clip attachment here. I wanted to show you how the color looks under different lighting and during the day. I'm really happy I chose dress blues because the sheer violet was a little too bright of a purple for me. This color has a fine, shimmery metallic finish that also appears deep purple under some lighting, and I just love the subtle tonal change throughout the day. So, what fits in my bag? Timing is perfect as I'm packing for a trip interstate, the first of hopefully more travels in 2022. I wasn't quite sure how I'll be using this bag when I first got it, to be honest, but I feel like it would be a great bag for tech gadgets, so let's see how we go. First up, I have my laptop charger and the cable. I'm loving the elastic bands holding the charger in place. Then I'm bringing along with me my Hangul flashcards and the detachable strap in case I need it. Here I have my work laptop. This is the 13.5-inch Surface Laptop 3, and that goes in just nicely. I haven't actually measured any of my items to the bag, so I'm just putting things in as I go so we can see how useful this bag actually is. Then I've got my 13-inch MacBook Pro to do all my YouTube edits, and that just pops in nicely, no issues at all. Now, what's next? I'll add in my iPad Air This goes into a padded pouch first, and I love this one that I got from IKEA. Reminds me of our first trip to Paris. So I'll place that on top of my work laptop. And then you can add some reading material. I've got a couple of workbooks here. They go nicely in there. Not forgetting my Moti pen, and I like to store it in the box to avoid damage to the tip. And to that I add a pencil and pen for some note-taking or sketching. And when I travel, I like to have my valuables with me on my carry-on luggage. So this here is my jewelry pouch. So let's see how much space we have left. If you're a reader, there's space for a couple of books. Army would recognize this title, a favorite from In the Soup too. And these were both gifted to me by dear friends and ex-colleagues. If you're more into magazines, let's see if a copy of Vogue fits into this bag. Looks like it's going to be perfect. Actually, I think I might swap things around a little bit so they fit better together. That's more like it. Perfect. Now to zip both sides up. There's still a little bit of space on this side, so I might add a cap on the day I travel. Now with the pocket, I've got my magic mouse. Apple Pencil and charging adapter. Apple Watch charger. A spare Apple Watch strap. And I have to say there's sufficient space for everything. I'm glad they designed it this way because like a pencil case you can fit plenty in, and there's still space for AirPods, some mint, lip balm, and even a face mask, but I have all those items in my handbag, so I'm pretty much ready to go. All that's left is to add your own travel padlock to secure the bag. The smart sleeve allows you to stack the bag over your luggage handle, and this is the way I plan to carry it. If your luggage has a single bar handle, it could still work as the smart sleeve keeps the mini carry-on snug, but just be very careful when you're walking on uneven ground or going up and down hills, as the bag can shift and isn't very secure around a single bar. On the front is the Dynamite logo and silhouette of the 7 members, and up the top is the BTS and Samsonite RED logo engraved. I personally like how the aluminium plate complements the bag's color to keep it muted and suitable to go with other classic luggage colors. This bag is completely sold out on Weaver's shop, but still available at selected online stores. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing and review of the BTS Dynamite Samsonite RED mini carry-on bag in dress blues. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section and subscribe for more of my content. Safe travels everyone and take care. 안녕!